Welcome to the best practice course, Basel Statements in Hospital Pharmacy. Practice questions. Congratulations for having this chance. I'm really so proud to be with you. I am Maram Shtaya. I'm Palestinian pharmacist, American studies instructor, author and researcher who is teaching on Udemy. The Basel Statements of the International Pharmaceutical Federation, FIP, are the first collection of consistent declarations that reflect the global future vision of hospital pharmacy practice. They constitute 6 major themes: medicine procurement, preparation, delivery, administration and monitoring, influence on prescribing, and human resources and training. The present practice test course is intended to check and reinforce healthcare professionals' knowledge of the practical application of the Basel Statements. In our course, we will provide a comprehensive set of multiple choice questions on main themes of the Basel Statements. The present practice test course is designed for pharmacy students, hospital pharmacists, and other healthcare professionals who work in medication administration and patient care. It's appropriate for people looking to deepen their understanding of the Basel Statements and their practical applications in a hospital context. Participants will benefit from a structured learning environment that promotes interpersonal relationships and shared experiences. Many thanks for your attention, and I'd like to invite you to register in this course if you want to explore further.